So how do we find K? So you plug in numbers for Y and X. Well, you're used to doing that. You're good at it. So this isn't going to be any problem. This is actually a very easy problem once you can identify your quantities. Okay? So Y equals 3 quarts. When X equals 5 centimeters. So, well, we can plug that in. So 3 quarts equals K times 5 centimeters squared. Now, think you can solve that for K? What do you have to do to solve that for K? Just divide it by the square of 5 centimeters, right? By both sides. So you can do that, that's easy. So K equals 3 quarts over the square of 5 centimeters. Okay? Which equals 3 quarts over 25 centimeters squared. Since we're squaring 5 centimeters, we've got to square the 5 and we've got to square the centimeters. I'll use decimals since y'all love to do this so much. Okay? And in typical proportionality problems, you end up using decimals. So even though I kind of emphasize exact solutions, K turns out to be 0.075 quarts divided by centimeters squared. Okay? That doesn't necessarily mean quarts per centimeter squared. Okay? Although often you would read it like that. So I'm going to say quarts divided by centimeters squared. It doesn't tell you how many quarts you have to put in each square centimeter. Well, what are we going to do with that? How are we going to answer this question?
Plug it in for K.
Yeah, we put K in to the equation here, right? So we plug Y equals K into the Y equals K X squared proportionality. And we get this. Okay? Times X squared. And this applies to any statue that's geometrically similar in the same proportions as this one, right?
Well, if you think about it, so the top of the erasers, they're always like this very
It applies to any geometrically proportional statue. So how are we going to figure it out for the statue with the 30 centimeter nose?
put 30 as the X.
Yeah, could plug the 30 centimeters in for X, right? So, you get this, right? Which is then very easy. And it's going to be quarts over centimeter squared times centimeter squared. Just treat these as algebraic quantities. You know that that's going to be like centimeter squared over 1. You're going to be able to rearrange it with centimeter squared over centimeter squared and leave you just quarts, right? Okay? Hopefully you've seen me do that enough and thought about it enough that you can do that. And, well, that's 3/25, 25 into 900 is 36, and 3 times 36 is 108, which is what I said anyway. So that's 108 quarts. Okay? Now that's the process of applying a proportionality, right? Okay? So I'll probably give you, and I'm not going to ask for anything due Monday, but I'm going to give you some stuff that'll be due Wednesday, okay? I mean, you already have, I gave you like, 20 problems or something like that, and said do at least these for Tuesday. Do them all if you possibly can, so you have a reasonable break over Thanksgiving, okay? And it's important to take a break, okay? At least a couple of days. And maybe you don't have any choice. Maybe you get all the time just totally in between work and family and whatever else you do with your time. So, I don't want to give you anything's absolutely due. So I probably have another problem or two in proportionality to at least translate and hopefully solve, okay?